Let's talk about getting these fittings set, and this is where we're going to either use thread sealant like they've provided, or you can use thread tape. They actually recommend using the thread sealant because if you don't use the thread tape properly, you can get it and it will get into the system and potentially foul your pump. But I'm going to show you both just in case. Now the thread sealant, if you do use this, use a very small drop. And I mean, you don't have to coat this at all. Just pull the cover off, put a very small drop because it'll work its way through the threads. The advantage of this is that it won't get back into your pump and potentially foul. Keep in mind though, that if you do use this, you want to give it 24 hours of cure time. Now, if you do use thread tape, so let's talk about this really quick. Super thin, and you have to make sure that you put it on properly. Because when you put this on, it has to go the right direction. So there's two really important things to keep in mind. We're going to be wrapping clockwise as we go around, and I'll show you that in a second, and never, ever, ever overlap. So as you can see, it would be overlapping and getting into the very top of the fitting itself. So to do this, you would take a little bit of the thread tape, you can stretch it tight, wrap it around. You really only need about one loop, just like that. Tighten it down, and now you can see I've got the thread tape on, it's in the threads, it was wrapped clockwise, and there's a little bit of a gap here at the top because I don't want it to get into that fitting. Now, you can always take your fitting, you can tell which one this is. It's the end with the female end. So you take that and you can start to screw it into place. Now, once this tightens down, you're going to need 2 more wrenches, and it's not something I can do easily and show on the camera at the same time. But you've got a 17 millimeter fitting on this side. So you want to set a 17 millimeter wrench on this side, and this is a 22 millimeter wrench on this side, and you're going to hold one and turn the other, as you can see there, as I'm trying to struggle a little bit and film at the same time. But you have to hold it at both ends to tighten. So as you come around, and I'm getting into the thread tape now so you can see the resistance is starting to build up a little bit. But you're just going to come around and fit that in. Now, it's not as snug as I would like it yet, so I'm going to do that off camera when I get a chance, but you can see the exact process that we're going through. I'm going to go ahead and use thread tape in this case because I actually need to use this tomorrow. So I don't have 24 hours. So I'm good, but if you do, I would recommend using their sealant because that's what they say you should use.